How to create an Uber driver app account. First things first is of course download the app via the Play Store if you're using an Android device, and then search for Uber driver. Now, Uber driver specifically will not be able to show on one of the apps that you have on Google. It will be depending on your country or region. Right now, on our country, we do not operate Uber yet, but I think they're currently working on it right now. But once you do, all you have to do is to download the app and make sure that you're updated to the latest version. Next thing to do is pull up the application, and then you can either choose this continue with your Google or continue with an email. So let's try and continue with Google. Now, once you choose on continue with Google, it will automatically log you in. All you have to do for the Uber driver account is sometimes they are asking for your actual phone number. So if they're going to ask your phone number, just please provide it, and they will be send you out like a four-digit code. And sometimes they will send you a verification code via your email. All you have to do to verify it is just go to your email address, your Google Mail, and go back to this app and type in a four-digit code and you are successfully registered with Uber driver. So that's how easy you can register an Uber driver account.